Yep. Do you want to come take it? Ali, come on, man.
Ali Galloway.
Get in there, Connor! Just smacked it, mate. Just take it, mate.
That's why.
For the cheerleaders.
That's why. Last time they were playing, Egley was recording, and I was just bitching about the other team the whole time.
Twinkle toes.
Boys, we've left one.
Go on in, Brody! Scott!
Bring it, you got time!
That's it!
Come in now,
Shot, Scott! Go on, Connor! Don't give pressure, mate.
What? What did you say, Jess?
Still water. Still water. Thank you very much, mate. Is that ours or is that theirs?
What, the water? Now you tell me, mate.
Someone needs to be in front of me, really.
Oh, lovely. Play. Get to Luke.
Go, Guillaume. Boys, there's two of you there, one ball.
Keeper. Unlucky boys, head up. Let's go again.
Stand on that. Stand on that, one of you. Howard, come round here. Dave, stand on that. Into middle.
Salute.
Time. Come here, Dave. Stay in the middle.
Talk to each other.
Lads, you got to talk!
Come left, Howard.
Simon. Oh, skills, Connor. It's nice. That was lovely.
That was nice, wasn't it?
Come on, guys. That's yours, Simon. One of you talking. Look at Connor.
Oh, sorry, mate. Sorry.
Time!
Connor. Well played.
Oh.
Man, lovely.
Well played, Luke. 3 minutes. Great goal.
Well played.
Time.
Time. Time.
That's it.
I said time, mate.
Keep it in. Time. Come on.
It's alright. It's alright.
Time. One more now. Middle. Back line. That's it. Go on. Shoot.
Scott, that's yours. Well played. Well done, Scott.
Keep the ball. Play. The other side.
Oh, that was a lovely goal. Simon. You still managed to get to it.
Big hole here, Luke. Dave, go to couple. Keep going. Boys, come on.
Lovely. You got time. Oh. It's alright. Keep it up.
Ali, get ready next time. Connor, next time for Ali. What race is it? That's it, yeah. You get on there now.
What's going on, mate?
You whip them with your ponytail.
That's it. Do you know what? I should have had a matching ginger ponytail.
I can dive.
It's all right.
Well played, Dan.
Well played.
One of you go through and then pass it.
Well played.
Oh, wow.
Nice. Oh. Go, Scotty. Oh.
Connor, Ali, go.
Connor.
Guys, pass a bit more, lads, yeah?
Dan,
Good steal, mate.
next time for Coy.
Everyone's moving white, isn't they?
Excuse me.
No,
Those are my Pro Plus.
Huh?
Those are my Pro Plus.
I brought them back for you.
Oh. Mate, they're not going to work for half an hour. The game's going to be over and you're going to be
I was on
buzzing.
the way home then.
Back here, please.
Scotty.
Back here, please. On his toes, Howard. On his toes.
Boys, two of you coming away from it. One of them has to be a run to it.
Look in.
So my kick.
Try and get spun side.
Well played, Simon.
White ball. Go.
Left side.
He's off.
Okay, thanks, guys.
Get your hands off my Pro Plus.
Oh, it's a great touch.
Craig, move me. How do you think it's going so far?
It's alright.
You need to get on the pitch, mate. You ain't been on yet.
That's fine. It's a Wednesday.
Just said that on camera. Ten minutes later.
Coy, that's good moving. Ali, you've got to move off him. We're too static. Somebody needs to.
turn and run!
Man coming.
Ali, that's it. Ali, you're covering there. Ali, mate. Have a shot. Right, Ali. Ali, drop. Ali, drop. Got a man over. Well inside. Well in, Luke. Simon getting told off by the ref. Ali! Si, you're the free man now. Perfect.
Who's him? When you're on there, you're fucking floppy head as well.
Boys, where's this movement?
Two here, Dave, come left.
That Ali, that Ali.
Who?
Mate, coming.
Squeeze, go on.
Come up,
Ali. He's dropped you, Time.
Yes, that. Oh,
That's
go,
the
go,
ball.
go, go.
That's the ball all day long.
I don't think it is. Rex. That was a good ball.
Turn around and go again.
Guys, slow down.
Simon wants up.
your big. Scotty, it's your big moment. Unlucky, Si. Unlucky, mate. You're an idiot. Guys, what are you doing?
Craig in the middle!
Scotty, just push. Scotty, just a little bit, mate. Be long. And back. Hold. And back.
Throw. Don't worry, ref.
And out. Shine.
Get it right, you won't have to explain it so many times. That guy gets always shields it well, so I can't see it.
Well read, Luke.
Don't worry, Luke.
Unlucky, mate.
Well
That's
done,
it.
Luke.
Well read.
Should have passed there, Luke.
They really like this one.
Should have passed there.
Subs, anyone?
Guys, mark their
Both goals, basically.
mark their shorts. Ali, stay tight to him.
Ali, stay tight.
Ali, track him. Well done.
Oh.
Well in, Scott. Look Ali, at Craig. Well in, mate. Time.
Oh, come on, Craig. Scott's open there. Go with him, Scott.
Head. Slow it.
It's hot, mate. It is hot. It fucks with your judgment.
Just grab someone. Who's not been
How
on?
do you think the game's going, girls? It's going shit, Abby, is it?
Agreed.
Well, you're losing, aren't you?
Yeah. I'm playing so bad.
How long has it been? How long, Ben?
12 minutes in.
Rally.
Man on. Like, couple minutes, yeah? Like, one.
Look, where are we?
Now push on one.
Right, now.
Right, Ali's free.
Scott, come to middle a bit.
Turn.
Come on!
Great ball. Finish that.
Back. Oh, come on, Craig. Good positioning.
Ali, Luke, Ali. Come in. Bye.
Keep up, lads. Unlucky.
Anyone? All subs.
Move out of the way, guys. Scotty, you need to organise the fence now.
Listen to the call. Look, back to Mark.
Scotty, keep talking.
Easy.
Emery, go long.
Come right. Scott.
Dan!
Not both of you. Not both of you.
Connor!
Oh, lucky Scott.
Unlucky, boys. That's the right thing to do, though.
It's a good idea, Scotty. 13.
Keeper's feet. Go, Ferran. That's good, Guillaume. Go forward. Boys, what's happening?
Time. Okay, that's that. Right, well done, Sam.
It's boiling hot today, isn't it? It's very hard to play football in this heat.
Seems like I can't play.
It's very, very tiring.
I know what I want to do.
You just don't have the energy to actually do it.
Well done, Luke. All those foul throws. Ref is shit.
Next time it goes.
He only came in beside you.
Don't slag the ref off, Ali.
Relax.
How did I stumble forwards?
No, it's not the ref's fault that you're an idiot.
I say it's shit here. When I'm on the pitch, I'm not even my
It's
best
not the ref's
friend.
fault that he's an idiot, so.
Oh, sorry, Dave.
Well, it's not my fault that the ref's an idiot.
Look at Craig!
Deal with it.
Got it back first. And again, Craig.
Look at Dan!
And again.
Oh.
Oh, that's unlucky, Scotty.
Pass the ball. If you lose, you come back.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks.
Work out, yeah, boys. Who's Dino? Go right. Turn.
A shot, Simon! Please. Look at Craig!
Referee's on with that, yeah.
Oh, late.
Easy for me now. Come. Push them up.
Oh,
Great save.
that's what I like to see, Scotty.
England's number 1.
Scotty went in goal on Tuesday as well. He went in goal yesterday.
He wasn't meant to be playing today.
One of the better ones. I think so far the best keeper I've seen is Ben.
Mate, you're the worst keeper going. You can't banter anyone.
I ain't even bantering, mate. I'm serious.
No foul.
Get out! To Craig! Lovely!
Too slow.
Look at Connor!
You got 2 on the
Look
left.
at Dan!
Take your time. We're not in position.
Walk it out.
Well moved, Craig. Oh.
Look to lay off Craig there, Connor. Look to lay off Craig, he was making the run for it.
Ali, can you move, mate?
Shots! That's it. Go to it! Your shots!
Go on, Craig. Give it. Go on, Dan.
Time! Shoot! Unlucky.
Keep it in. Man on your back.
Man on!
Chase it. Shy.
Wait, ref!
Don't go charging.
Not now. Well, we're playing with 4 now.
He's off!
Finish.
Ref's up!
Hey, go on now.
Sub! Wait, relax. He said
Go on.
Substitutions can only happen in a break of play.
yeah, we called you 3 times.
No, in a break
Ali,
of
Ali,
play.
oh, okay.
A break. That's fine. No.
Okay.
He can go off. Now we can do a substitution. Now play stop.
Ali, can you move out of the way, mate?
That comes on stress. Free kick.
Move.
3-man wall.
Keep the pressure!
13
He's literally
minutes.
there on there.
Well played.
Get close to it.
2-2.
Don't leave him! You had time there, mate.
Get it under. Time. Bring it out, Marky. Bring it out.
Spread out!
Angles.
Thought you got your second goal there, Dan.
Pass it straight at him.
Shots, Connor!
Yeah, no, that's it.
Well played!
Connor.
Great play!
Get some water, lads. It's fucking hot. And also, get out of the way, Ali.
Shut up!
Get out of the fucking way, then.
He's been really fit.
I've seen it post more.
Well played.
Guys, come on.
Pressure on!
Easy.
Go on, guys, pick up the pace. We've only played 2 minutes in second half.
To be fair, we were identifying trees.
Scott's good.
Connor, somebody.
Look at Connor! Look at Connor!
Top left.
Really hot, so I don't care, man.
Control it!
It's a great ball.
Shape again.
Shots, Craig!
Stand him up, Craig.
Well played!
Luke, can you move, mate?
Sorry, bud.
It's alright.
Normally the cameraman
Sorry.
doesn't use
Make
right
sure
players,
you
right?
can move, Ben. You've got these things
What
called
lazy
legs.
shit!
Shut up.
That's what I say to our 6-year-olds. These things called legs allow you to move.
Well played!
Outside.
I don't know who needs to come off.
I'm doing you a favour, mate. I'm filming this atrocity of a game.
Everybody's moved on. I did an extra long stint. Every
One of
time.
them's going to go in.
Oh my god.
Well then, Kai. Same again, guys. You know what to expect.
I was so tempted to walk in front of him.
Well in, Scott.
Run it out! Run it out! Throw it to him! Oh, not through the gap.
Unlucky, unlucky. Chase! Well played.
Scott, kick it, lad. Come on.
Everyone all right?
Anybody?
Yeah, Luke.
Connor?
Yes, sir.
Somebody close him down.
Ah, sorry, Dave.
Oh.
Break!
Luke, come on!
Oh, fuck now, lads.
Back post.
Supposed to be on before Luke, maybe. Like,
Don't worry about it. Go on next. Just grab it. Go somebody next.
still got plenty of time.
Yeah, you got 10 minutes, Ali. So you got loads of time.
Hey! It's a bit late.
Manny back! Played.
Well in, Connor.
Time, Scott, time. Connor again. Connor, don't fight, mate.
Oh!
On your back.
Keep talking, Luke. Keep it up.
Wider. That's it, mate.
Yeah.
Look at Luke. And again.
Look at Luke. Man on.
Oh, unlucky, lads. Get your shape again and back.
Right, close your mouth.
Go.
Well in, Craig. I know it's tiring.
Well played.
Well back, Craig. Very well played. Luke, keep the talking up.
Ali, you were going for Craig next. Yeah. Craig started on, didn't he?
James is on. James, look.
Turn!
Yeah, I think Craig started on that last at this half, so yeah, he did.
Come wide up. Boy, win that! Out.
Well played.
Yes, keeper.
Come on, guys.
Keeper!
Craig!
Dig deep, lads.
Craig, next time for Ali!
I want them to show, to play to them, like clips of what they
Got to dig deep, lads. 10 minutes.
Guys, you know what's coming here?
Someone new to come in to say it. Yeah. Yeah, I want them to either do that or someone new to do that.
Well played.
Well out!
Big Ed.
Keeper! Never mind.
8 minutes left, lads.
Great save, keeper!
Please tell me someone filmed that.
Just getting a bit bored of that. I don't believe it from the start. I think they're playing a bit.
We've got one in the back. One completely free.
Well played.
Johnny, and I voted for.
Yeah, that's a lot. Craig, for Ali! Refs up!
Oh, that's tonight. When did it?
Ali, you have to move, mate. You have to move.
Yeah.
I don't want to be behind again.
Well played, mate.
Imagine they send Olivia and Mike. Imagine if Olivia and Mike go home. There'll be no drama. She'll be like,
Don't say that, they're staying. I'm going to vote for them at stage.
too late. You voted closed last night.
I'm going to vote last night. Good run, Connor. Good ball, spot.
Loads of time. Great football.
Ali's on. Simple ball, well in, mate.
That's it, good.
Come out from Coy. Well played.
Push, Owen.
Effort them, boys!
Coming!
Well in, Coy.
I quite like that.
Well played.
Coy, on two, you're walking! Coy.
Come back.
Well in.
Loads of time.
Make that dart in, Ali! Make that dart in!
Squeeze him,
Where's
Dad,
the run?
squeeze him!
Played.
Stand! Go, ball, Dave! Go, ball!
Unlucky.
Unlucky, guys.
Man
Well
on
in,
the edge,
Luke.
come on with fucking no.
Ali, you need to be making them runs, mate.
Get the man in.
Connor for Connor next time as well, please.
Hang on!
Hang on, I've got to show you.
This is side, please. Side down here. I'll give you 4 yards already.
Dan, you left in.
Changes? Yeah.
Right, Dan, pick up 11. Ali, you got to be tighter. No
Ali,
fouls.
that's your man!
Great
That
save,
is your man, Ali! For fuck's sake!
Mate, you're putting him in midfield. Luke! You put Ali in midfield.
Connor, switch! Ref, sub it!
Hang on.
Yo, Connor, come in.
Right, boys, heads on! This isn't over! Ali's fucking getting shouted at, it's his man.
You put Ali in the wrong position, mate. He needs to be up front. Obviously, he's not going to be running as much as Wingit.
And he's decided himself he's in midfield, mate.
Unlucky, lads.
Luke! Fuck's sake. You need to get Luke and Ali switched. Otherwise, it's just going to keep happening. Dan, you... Luke, maybe switch with Ali just because he's not covering the right.
Lads, let's talk. We didn't even have a wall there. What's going on?
Good.
See the glory.
Connor. Look. When he's got the ball. When he's got the ball, Connor. Guys, we need to run more now. You got 3 minutes.
Is that it?
Yeah, you need to run more now.
Luke, next time. Me?
Connor.
Right shoulder. He's gone now, he's gone. Man up your arse, straight away.
Well backside. Well inside, good pressure.
Go on, Scythe.
Side drop.
Pass to Dan. Dan's on.
Dan once. Dan's hold,
On a
Dan, hold
spread.
on.
Guys, you got to trust in each other. Pass the ball.
Well out again, side.
Well played, Ty. Now pass it.
Shout him, lads, you shout him.
Wait!
Oh, that's unlucky.
Well inside.
Good play, side.
Guys, you saw a corner. Get in the box.
He's just stepped off there. Craig short, one shot.
It's got to be better than that, lads.
Subs, lads. If you're not sprinting here, come off. Because you're not doing anything.
Guys, you got a minute left. Sprint everywhere. Minute sprint. Minute sprint. Go on,
Dan.
Go on, Dan.
Hit it.
Get there, Connor. Tackle him. Put a tackle in.
You've only got 20 seconds. Boys, press! You got 30 seconds.
Push. Come up. Help Simon out. Dan, go.
Connor, go
Get
to
back.
it! Go to it!
Now push. Run.
Run with it, Scott!
Run. You got 20 seconds. Go on, Dan. Run. Oh, unlucky.
Why have I come off for people that can't run?
No, it's not why you come off, it's why others haven't come on. So if people aren't sprinting now, they should come off.
Go on, Dan. Go on, Dan.
Go back down, Owen. Oh. He's in bottle. He's in bottle.
Well played, Si. Keep going. Come on. If you can't run, come off. Connor, get up there.
Back post!
Look at James. Go on, Connor, get there. Unlucky.